Okay, so we observe in terms of what we see here that whatever x is, y stops at 3. The y value is on the segment that's within the region above the x value, stops at 3. So the orange segment goes up to y equals 3, and it doesn't matter where x is, right? Okay? Now, you don't have a fixed number for where the y value starts. The further x is to the right, the greater the y value at the lower end of this segment, right? So where the lower end of this segment is has to be figured out in terms of the value of x, right? So in terms of x, what's the lower limit on y values? Now, to make that just a little bit less of a jump, let's just do one for a simple number. Okay? If we figure it out for a fixed number x, for x equals just some typical number, not a general x, but some specific x between 0 and 2, and 1/2 is a perfectly good one. 1 usually isn't a good choice, because you don't have to think very hard if you got 1, okay? But, okay, if x is 1/2, I'm leaving off some words here, but get too wordy. We got to balance being wordy enough and too wordy. So I think it's clear what this means. If x is 1/2, what's the lowest value of y within the region, meaning above, directly above and below x, because that's what we're talking about. Okay? So can you figure that out? If x is 1/2, where would y start, given this geometry?